Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you joined me today. Today I am doing a palette bingo in collaboration with a bunch of beautiful women. We are doing this collab with Raven Makeup and Reviews, who suggested this collab idea, Lady Debra's Beauty Haven, ALK Beauty, and Just Call Me Joe and Heather from I Am a Companion. Everyone will be linked down below, so if anyone added themselves late or I forgot to mention them in this video, everyone will be linked down below, and it would mean the world to me if you checked out these other women because they are awesome. And we are all doing a different palette with Palette Bingo. We did a poll because a lot of us either didn't have the same palette or we all still wanted to do it, so we had everyone vote on a palette that was in our collection, and they selected the Saharan by Juvia's Place, and this is what this palette looks like here. So, how I am going to do this, because I have to write things down. I'm going to write it down, but I'm going to use a randomizer on my tablet to help me select the shades. And how I'm going to count, it is going to be, so each row, so 1 through 4, 5 through 8, 9 through 12 is how that will be. So, let's get this started. So, I'm going to put, the maximum number is going to be 12. I'm going to generate the first one. The first one is 8. 1, 2. So, Senegal. Oh gosh, if I get all shimmers, I mean, I can create a look with that, but it's going to be interesting. So, Senegal is my first shade, and we're doing 5, by the way. I don't think I said that. 5 shades. Generate. Next is 4, and that is Kia. So, I got Senegal first, and then Kia. Come on, matte shades. Generate. 10. So 8, 9, 10. 10 is Katsina. Oh, thank goodness for a matte shade. Katsina. Generate. Then I got 3, 1, 2, 3. Bororo. I don't know how to say that one. But it is a pretty shimmer shade. So I have one more. Oh, come on. So I got 7, which is Jamila, which is this other matte shade. Okay, so just to sum it up, I got Senegal, Kia, Bororo, Katsina, and Jamila. I am butchering these names, so I do apologize. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start with Katsina in my crease. We're gonna see what happens. A lot of shimmers. So I'm going to use, since that palette does not have a mirror, I'm going to use this as my mirror. We're just gonna get into it. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. More because I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen to my eyes. I'm trying to think how I want this. The one shade that's kind of throwing me off with this is Kia. But I think I have an idea. I mean, this could either be amazing or look like complete trash. So I think I'm going to take Jamila, and then I'm going to put that right in the crease, and I'm going to kind of blend Katsina and Jamila together. Well, that is a bright orange. I've only played with this palette like one time, so I haven't really got to use it as much as I probably could have before doing this, but I think this will be a lot of fun. I mean, we're gonna see how it turns out, that's for sure. Okay, So what I think I'm going to do with Kia is I think I'm going to put Kia on the outer and then Senegal all the way over. That's what Kia looks like. Ah! Okay. So I'm going to take this kind of flat brush here. Oh, I'm nervous about this shade because I feel like all the others I can make work really well, but I'm not 100% about this shade, but we're just going with it. We're gonna go with it. I mean, I guess technically I could add some other shades in because you can with Palette Bingo. These are just the shades that I have to use, but I kind of want to see what happens when I just use these shades. Okay, that actually kind of has a nice like darkening effect over here. Sorry if I'm like out of focus. I'm like trying to figure out what I want to do with this. Have you guys ever done a palette bingo? If you have, let me know down below. I'd be curious to watch it. And if you guys hear wind or anything outside, it is monsoon season here in Arizona. And so it is windy, it is loud, it is crazy. Yesterday was an insane monsoon day. I will take a makeup wipe to that later. Okay. So I think that's what I want to do with that. I'm going to clean off this brush really quick because I'm going to use it for Senegal, which I'm going to do the inner portion. This is just a crazy eye look. Like, let's be real. I don't know if this is going to redeem it or just make it crazier. Funny, as many times as I played with that app this morning and like the other color combinations I got, this was not the one I was expecting at all. At all. Not at all. That is kind of the fun of this. Going to get a makeup wipe really quick and clean up some of the fallout. Because there's quite a bit. Okay, so I want to line my eyes with the Pretty Vulgar Blacklist eyeliner. You guys know I love this. Oh. I think I handled that pretty well. I still need to use the shade Bororo, is how I want to say it, but I feel like I'm saying that completely wrong. Probably am. I think I'm going to do something with that on my lower lash line. I don't think I'm going to do a wing. I think I'm just going to line my upper lash line. Okay. Now that that is done, I want to put on my mascara that's almost out. Ah! No, it's a good thing. It means I'm actually going to get through a tube of mascara. Which needs to happen. Okay. So what I want to do with Bororo, oh my gosh. Somebody leave a comment on like how you actually say these shades. I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. I'm not gonna line my lower lash line because I think just don't know that that shadow goes with the rest of the look, but we're gonna make it work. Okay. Really quickly, I want to line my lower lash line. So I'm trying to use this product up. I'm prefacing that just so I don't get a bunch of people going, ah, why are you using that? I'm trying to use it up. Okay, and now to put some mascara on. And I think the lip I'm actually going to use for this is going to be Whip. And this is a Bite Amuse Bouche liquefied lipstick. And we're just going to go full on nude lippy. And there you have it. My final look after my palette bingo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you will go and check out the other wonderful ladies and the looks that they created. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!